Hello, hello, hello. Sorry, I managed to forget to capture my screen. But we're back and we're gonna get a bit done. Because we're showing up. Day 362. 4 more days left. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. So I'm just it's getting breaking up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What were we up to? We were. Yeah, it's not gonna get done before the end of the year, is it? But let's go. Okay, so we had built the views, and we're gonna add that to our table. So we're adding another within the row, and the row will keep repeating, because we are using this. I believe we're using a. So here we're just building it out for the one. I think because we're using the topics of map, so where for each element we are doing this, each element of the array, topics array. Cool. So we want this instead to call our view count function that we just did. We will pass in our views. We get our view counts nicely in the views column. Yeah, because a category like Python. So we're now going to build out a category object which holds all of those categories and class names for the styling. So let's create an empty object. Okay, cool. A new key for the number 299, the value of a empty object, key value pair. So if our key is 299, this object is empty object, category, career advice, class name, career. Why 299 though? I don't know why 299. But yeah, so we're building out these key value pairs. Become a supporter, and we've got some new animations. You know, I will donate when I get my certificate. Not because that's when they're giving it to me, but because I promised to donate all this time and I haven't yet. Because times is hard, man. So what are we getting these numbers from? The 409, the 299. No, cause my first instinct would have been, it sounds like responses, like HTTP type responses, because you get like a 200 OK for a type of HTTP call, and for you might have seen the 404, but I don't think that's what this is. That yeah. Anyway, let's build this out. So 409 is another key with an object. I'm gonna be lazy. Copy this. Therein. The category here is project feedback. The class name is feedback. We've got another one for 417. Yeah, support is the class name. And free code camp support is the category. And they're going to add enough for me to get a function to retrieve the category name from the all objects category object. Start by creating an out function name from category. Okay. Category. Oh my god. That was embarrassing. I locked my computer. I've got to find out what that looks like from your point of view. Create a new let's. Okay, so select a category. We'll be changing this during runtime, so we give it a let. Say that it can change. If has a property of ID, remember I can use the has a property method for this. Okay, yep. Let me see, I don't remember how to use it directly, but let's see. Say I want to say all categories that has property ID. Let's see. So I wasn't sure of the syntax, but makes sense that it would be of this sort. And we're resolving this to true. So if it's true, we're going to do something, and then it's not, we're going to figure it out. Destructure class name and category from the all categories ID object. Okay, so if it does have it, then class name category defined by all categories of that ID. Why is that unhappy? Unexpected token. If I'm the structure in it. Oh, I want to say it's defined by. No. How do I destructure again? Should have done it already. I'm not defining what these things are. Such a rookie error. What are these? Are these constants? Are these chickens? No, don't define them. Just expect that somehow the program will know it. So because I didn't define them, so in as much as I am destructuring them, I need to define them as their own thing and tell the software to sort of look for them within that object and give it that definition. So for each ID, I create those based on the object. Add a class name to your selected category object. assigning a class name variable to selected category.class name. Okay. So if it does exist, then ID structure, and I, having destructured, define selected category class name then equal to class name selected category dot category equal to the category of that one that has been selected. That's cool. If the ID is not, you need to display the general category. So we're going to add a alternative. Okay, so then we just want these word-wise to be equal to general. It's just telling me what to do at this point. And this almost is all I need to know, really. Is what a template Israel is. That's not a bad thing, this makes it almost too easy. Watch how I mess this one up. Turn an anchor element inside tab. I'm just going to do exactly what it says. just check anchor element. It's not A. It is A. But it's self-terminating, isn't it? Yeah. 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 Turn an anchor element. The HR. It's not self-terminating either. How about that? URL. What's the... Maybe there isn't. I forget what this actually does. Target blank. I mean, we can search for it. I don't think I need to. Now it's going to be the actual word that is presented. So these guys have got embedded expressions. Now we're calling our function. Alright, I'll save episodes for tomorrow. Peace out, guys. Keep showing up. I've got some work to do before I go to bed.